Hey all, wild weather here for liveweatherblogs.com. The warm air, relatively warm air, just barely holding on now on the coast. This will be going away pretty quickly. The cold air is really just knocking on the door. Cold front is just about on top of the Delaware Valley here. 18 here in Syracuse, 16 in Buffalo, 16 up here in Pittsburgh. Very cold air starting to move southeast now, and this air will be coming down this way, and whatever leftover moisture is available is going to be wrung out. So if you're out tonight, be careful. Light snow, but there could be a few heavier bursts, and the winds are going to pick up tremendously here. So look for some snow and blowing snow later on, probably between now and 10 o'clock. Some accumulation is possible, up to an inch or maybe even two in some locations. Just take care on the roads, okay? Because the snow will be blowing across the roads. Let's take a look at those wind speeds right now. As you can see, winds are picking up tremendously here. 28 miles per hour now. This is current. This is sustained winds. Gusts of 40 miles per hour in here. This is slowly moving this way as the storm comes up the coast and the upper level energy comes down below it. So look for snow and blowing snow, winds to 40 miles per hour at times, and temperatures falling into the 20s. So if you're raining now, don't get used to that. It will change to snow pretty quickly. Here's the radar right now. You can see the rain down here in Delaware is already starting to switch over. The cold air aloft is really slamming in here. Some heavier snow burst out here in eastern Lancaster County and moving into Chester County. Notice the flow here, southeast, but at the upper levels we're moving southwesterly up this way. So all this snow up in here, we'll see how it holds together as it moves southeastward. Look for this area here to fill in with snow. Some of the snow may come down in a burst like a snow squall, and the winds will pick up. So we're out on the roads tonight. Just be careful. Expect some snow showers and a snow squall, and maybe up to an inch, maybe an inch and a half to 2 inches. And again, mainly on the grassy surfaces, but as the temperatures fall, folks, the roads will become icy. Let's just take a look here, but I believe the National Weather Service probably should, if they haven't already done so, put out a winter weather advisory, and they have not. That's unfortunate, but winter weather advisories down here in looks like Harvard County and northern suburb of Baltimore here. Might want to think about putting a winter weather advisory out for Chester, southern Bucks, Philadelphia, Delaware counties, and down in this location. Let me just check something here. I thought I saw a winter weather advisory down here in Dover. That might be. It's just maybe the high wind advisory. The wind advisory may be superseding it because it's more of a dangerous threat, but don't let your guard down with the snow. Let me just go into media here and just see. Yeah, special weather statement, hazardous weather outlook. They probably should go ahead and issue the winter weather advisory. Wouldn't be surprised if that kind of comes up on the fly here. Some of the snow out here in eastern, let's get back to that. Some of the snow out here in eastern Lancaster County and western Chester County moving southeast looks fairly decent. So if you're out on the roads tonight, bottom line, the roads will be wet, but any untreated surfaces will freeze tonight. Depending on how quickly the snow leaves, we'll see. The winds will be gusting at between 28 and 40 miles per hour, so get ready. Alright, this is Wild Weather here for liveweatherblogs.com. Again, when you're on the roads tonight, just be careful. I'm not expecting a massive flash freeze or anything like that, but with all this snow activity, roads will become slick and sidewalks too. This is Wild Weather again for liveweatherblogs.com.